I went into Poundland the other day. Poundland do a range of makeup Halloween kits, and yeah, I saw them last year and I keep seeing them, and I'm always thinking like I need to buy one of those and do a tutorial with it just to see what the products are like, if it's any good. Obviously it's like £1, which is super cheap, so I thought I'd test it out for you guys and see if it's any good and if it's worth it. So they have a few different ones. This is the one I thought was the most interesting. This is the horror makeup set. So in this you get fake blood, which I imagine will stain my face, but we'll see. You get a white makeup, a black like cream makeup, and a silver grey makeup, and then you get a couple of sponges and this little cream palette with purple, red, blue and black as well, and a little sponge applicator. And then I think I'm going to kind of try and replicate this look which is on the pack. This one obviously has like a 3D wound, and we're not getting any 3D stuff in this. There's no liquid latex or anything to create that, so I think I'm going to go for this one and see if I can do it. So I'm going to open her up and let's get stuck in. What I'm going to do is, obviously we'll start with the white base. I'm just going to use like the back of my hand as a little palette, and I'm going to squeeze some of this on. It looks like mayonnaise. And I'm just going to use this little triangle sponge that we get in the kit, because also I want to use everything in there. And I'm going to put it on my face, see what happens. I actually feel like it's going on okay. This is weird. It's like it's not too bad. So I'm just like patting it on to get an even coverage. Just going over any of the bits that look a bit thin. It feels really cooling. Like, I use aloe vera gel to apply glitter. It kind of feels like that same like cooling effect, which is freaking me out a bit because I don't really get why it would do that, but I don't know, hopefully it's not like burning my face off. So I'm just gonna bring it down the neck. It's a bit patchy, but it's alright overall. I might go into the silver grey one, and I'm gonna just like mottle the skin, is that the right word? I'm just gonna dab it on to make me look super zombie-ish. It's pretty pigmented. I just want to make myself look super dead, zombie type thing. Dab it under there to get these kind of zombie bags. Zombie eye bags. I'm gonna try this bad boy and see what it's like. I'm scared. On this little applicator. I've just got a bit of red on here. Oh, and it's got a little brush on the end. That's quite cute. I'm just gonna go to the corner of my eyes. Some around the edge of the mouth too. And then she's kind of got like cuts all over her face, so I'm going to just, while I'm in the red, I'm going to kind of And now I'm going to go into the purple one. The purple, I'm going to add some like bruises around the face, so just tapping it on. I'm also, over the cuts I've done with the red, I'm going to, I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to go into this little brush with the purple. You just kind of, along the red lines, paint on the purple lines, but do them with like gaps in between. And that makes this like really realistic looking scratch. Okay guys, and then I'm going to go into the blue shade on the sponge and just sponge around. And then the last, well not the last thing, and then I'm going to go into the black. I'm just going to use this one on the, I'm going to try it on this little brush thing, and I'm going to just go around the eyes. I'm going to try and layer up the little brush thing with the black as well and go over the cuts, because that will make it look even more real. I've just put a bit of like, I don't know if you've seen as I've been going along, but a bit of like mashup of colours on the lips. So I'm just putting a bit of black on the inside. And then I've just put like purple and red kind of smudged around. It's better. Okay, and then the last thing before we finish, let's put the fake blood on. Looks like strawberry syrup. Just use this brush that I've used for everything. Strawberry syrup. Colour of the blood is a bit too red, pinky for my liking, but for a £1 face kit, can you complain? Okay guys, this is the finished look. I am not mad with this makeup at all. I actually think it looks really good. Like, I'm pretty shocked. I'm impressed. For £1 from Poundland, the horror makeup kit. The only thing is, and I knew it, so I've had the fake blood has obviously touched my hands, and it's kind of, it stains your fingers instantly, so I'm really worried about my face. But that is honestly the only thing. The fake blood as well is giving me this kind of cooling sensation, which happened with the white makeup as well, which is a bit weird. And I think like if your skin is super sensitive, then I just would be careful. But overall, I'm really happy with this look. I think it looks really good, and for like £1, and obviously for everyday people, like you don't want to be going to like expensive shops and spending like 50 quid on makeup. Like, this cost £1. It's pretty crazy. Luckily my hair's super greasy for the zombie look. I have this pair of white mesh lenses that I bought, so I'm just going to pop them in and show you what it looks like with them, because I think they'll really add to the effect. Okay guys, this is the finished look with the contact lenses. I can't see a thing. I don't know what's going on, but final review, I'm really impressed. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and also let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed it. I'm going to show you me taking it off so we can see how bad it stains, because that is quite a thing. But actually I think the fake blood has dried, which is really handy because you don't want it transferring onto anything. So yeah, let's see what it's like to take off. So let's see how well this comes off. I hope my face isn't stained. Okay guys, this is it taken off with the baby wipes. It's not actually too bad. There is like little red marks around it. The cream makeup came off super easy because it doesn't set that well, so maybe if you were like going on a proper night out it might smudge, but you just have to like pack loads of translucent powder on it to set it. But anyway, thanks for watching, happy Halloween, and I'll see you soon, bye!